Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain one face whitening cream. Before that, please you subscribe my channel and click notification bell. Dear friends, today I am explaining about Lotus WhiteGlow herbal cream. This cream is only applying at night time only. Why means it will help to reduce black spot, pores and some dark spots, and it will give to you lighten for the skin and nourishing. Why this cream for night? It is mentioned here. Why this cream for my night time? Mainly I told you before, this cream it will help to reduce all kind of black spots and scar, even like dullness. I mean like a dead skin, like that only. And it is a Indian product. It's from herbal product from India. Almost it will come around $15 in Indian market. You will get this product through online by their original website, like www.lotusherbals.com. And before you using this cream, purchase one face wash also, like same whitening glow face wash also are available in this website. Dear friends, you will get a good result within 7 days. Why means lot of people are taking from my pharmacy this cream and they are giving good result regarding this cream. So don't worry. Why means it's a herbal product, there is no chemical. It's contain like some plants extracts and like berry and strawberry and some other berry, so like other berry is there inside. So you can apply blindly at night time, and when you are wake up in the morning time, you please use some face washes like Lotus white glow Lotus face wash. If you are continue this cream up to 3 years, up to 3 months, then you don't want to apply any other face whitening cream for upcoming 2 or 3 years. Why means it will help you to up to 2-3 years this cream for whitening in your face. Okay. You will get this cream to anywhere in the world through Lotus Herbals website. Dear, if you have any doubt, you can comment in my comment box. I will help you. It is mentioned here, this address. If you want to go to like website, it is there already. It's one part of India, Noida mentioned. It's Noida. That is in UP district. Sorry, UP state. Thank you all.